Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Maridalia and this is Married Her. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. I make fashion content, and if that is something that you're interested in, I suggest you go ahead and subscribe and make sure that you click that bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. So in today's video, I will be doing a little unboxing. I have my Zara packages here and my scissors to open it, and this is from their clearance stuff. So I've never bought Zara clearance stuff, but I noticed that they had a great selection of items on the website. So I'm going to be opening the stuff, reacting to it on camera, and I will also be inserting on the side photos of the items on the website, how they were displayed, and also the original pricing next to the price that I paid for, so you guys get to see how much I saved. So if you guys are craving some OOTD pictures, outfit of the day, I encourage you to also follow me on Instagram so you guys can get your outfit of the day fix. So I will be inserting my username right here. It's at Married Her. So without further ado, let me get to some unboxing. So for this package, I like to say this is like my self-birthday gift. It is my birthday tomorrow on the 26th. So basically, you know, these are some self-birthday gifts. Hopefully I get to wear them to brunch or drinks later in the summer for belated birthday celebrations. So let me get ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and open the smallest package first. And this one came in a bag, the other one came in a box. One was bigger than the other because I placed an order and then I wanted to order some more stuff and then place another order. The crazy thing is that I ordered this a little over 2 weeks ago, and I paid 2-day shipping, which was like an extra $10. I was like, why not? Not this one, that one, my bigger package. And because of everything going on, it took 2 weeks, so they refunded me that money. And then I ordered this one like a week and a half after I had ordered that one, and they arrived on the same day. So I just got this package a couple of days ago. So for this one, I only ordered like 3 items. They packaged their stuff so nicely. It's so beautiful. So the first thing that I ordered was this little blue dress. It says here that it was retailing for $69. I did not pay that. So this is like a long dress. I will insert a picture of what it looked like on the website, and it has these ruffles. I am very into dresses like this year for summer and spring. And the thing about this dress is I could wear this with some mules or sandals to a party, but I can also wear this with all white sneakers and a little handbag, and it'll look cute and chic, but at the same time effortless and comfy. So I'm looking forward to wearing this one. So the next thing that I ordered was this blue top. It's like a button down, and it has flap pockets, a collar. So it's not like the typical button down. It's like, you know, it's supposed to be cool and hip, and it's shorter in the front, longer in the back. And the thing that caught my attention the most was the detail on the sleeve. So that detail peeks out from the back of the sleeve. I really like this color. So I'm very excited about this. Actually, there's a pair of pants a pair of slacks that I'm thinking of wearing this with. So I already have an idea of how I'll be wearing that one. And the last thing was some earrings. You guys, they packaged them so cute. I love this. I think I paid like $5 for this. Might have been. I'll insert the picture from the website, and they retail for $19, it says here. They are actually way bigger in person than I expected them to be. Because on the website they weren't displayed on the model, they were just displayed. So I thought they were gonna be a little smaller in person, but I actually love the size because I love statement earrings. And they are green and yellow, two different orange and red. I really like these. They're very summery. They actually look way better in person than they did on the site. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Do you like these? I think these are definitely gonna make a statement this summer. So now let me get to the box. I'll be honest with you guys, opening boxes and packages, soda cans, anything, it's like you learn how to do it when you have nails like these. You just adapt. These are my natural nails and I don't wear acrylics anymore. So these are my natural nails with a coat of acrylic on the top, and every 3 months I do a coat change and I cut them when they get too long. So it's been like 4 years that I haven't had my regular short nails. So I don't even remember what short nails is like. I haven't broken a nail in 3 years. So you just adapt, people. You adapt. You learn how to open up boxes and everything in between with these nails. So I always look at the item first and I analyze, how am I going to open this without messing up my nails? It's my life. This is the life, you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. So the next thing is this button down. What do you guys think? It's a white button down, the collar, but it has this detail on the sleeves. This is gonna look so good. You can wear this with pants, you can wear this with skirt. If you guys remember my video from my spring wardrobe, the snake print pattern skirt or the little tweed skirt, actually the tweed skirt, it has like some pinks in it, a little bit of like white light colors, and it has silver hardware. That with this top. What do you guys think with these? Do we have a look? I think we have a look. Let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned on the gram this summer. I am obsessed. The next thing that I got was these. I saw the top, I saw the pants, and I was like, I can't buy one without the other. Like I have to buy the whole set. Obviously they're so separate, but I had to get the whole thing because I thought it was amazing. The fabric, I love it in person, and on the website it looks a little shimmery. I don't know if you guys can see that through the lens of the camera, but it's a little shimmery and it's like a really nice, how do I describe this color? Like a brick color with polka dots. And I love the shape. It's a little crop top, and actually it has these little strings in the center. And then these are the pants. It's just high-waisted, wide leg, elastic waistband pants, and they look really comfortable and airy for summer. So this is a little set from Zara. The next thing that I bought was this dress. I actually thought this was bluer on the site, but this is a really nice, it's almost like, what do I call it, a sack dress, because it's not fitted, it's a loose dress. It's white and it has like a drop collar, but it has this faux leather details. So it's this faux leather black detail on this side, and on this side it has color block. It has 2 colors. I was actually thinking, if you guys remember my blue boots from my other video, I was thinking of wearing it with the blue boots. But now that I see it in person, I think I can still wear it with blue boots. I think it'll be a look. It'll be a nice contrast. What do we think about this dress? It looks very flattering to any type of shape. So if they still have it on the website, I encourage everyone to go buy this dress. Oh, it's so pretty. The next thing that I bought was this dress. It's just like a regular little dress but it has these bubble sleeves. And I like the fabric. It's like a t-shirt fabric, so it's going to be very comfortable to wear. It actually looked more pink on the website, but it looks more purple in person. I bought this little skirt. It's like a midi skirt, leopard print. If I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to have a slit. Do we have a slit? We do have a slit right on the side. I'm very excited to wear this little skirt. And the last thing that I bought was this dress. The only thing I'm concerned about this dress is what bra am I gonna wear with it. But such a nice dress. It has a slit right here. It's like beige, white, with the pleated accents, and it has a snake print detail on the bust. It's very contemporary, and you wouldn't think that this is from Zara. Zara does have great things, but you wouldn't think this looks like it's a designer, like a very expensive designer, because it's very unique. So I'm very excited to wear this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are the goodies that I got from Zara on clearance. Definitely check their special pricing section on the website regularly, because they are constantly updating it and you will find some steals. Zara is one of the more expensive fast fashion store brands, but they do have really great deals and the quality is amazing. I have a few t-shirts and some flats from Zara, and it definitely wears very well and the quality is great for the price. So I definitely encourage you guys to check it out and stay on the tune, because I'm telling you, they update it almost every week and they have great stuff. They have stuff from $70 to like $15, and the quality is amazing. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will leave it linked down below. So until next time, bye.